Good morning and good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to cook silver fish curry. First thing, I need to put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and make it very well. Coat fish with cornstarch, and you have to mix it well, making sure the flour is stick on the silver fish. And this kind of fish is look like we call in the Philippines like bulinaw. Now you have to add oil and fried, bring into brown the fish. Make sure the fish is cooked and brown. You have to fry, deep fried. Or you can eat the fish with rice fried. It's really good. Now you have to turn the fish, making sure turn the brown and crispy. In the Philippines, we do this like fried, just fried, and with dip with soy sauce, put garlic and onions, and also tomatoes with rice. We used to eat those in the Philippines. Now the fish you have to put in clean plate. Set aside the clean plate. So thank you very much for visiting my channel. So you have to make hot the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil and also half onions slice. And you have to stir it. When the onion is light cooked, you have to add 4 cloves of garlic slice and slice of thump of ginger. You have to stir it well. And also 1 tablespoon of curry powder. And you have to add 1/4 cup of hot water and boil it and mix it.
Hello?
So when you water is boiled, 1 tablespoon of sugar, white sugar or brown sugar, and also 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper or corn pepper. So make it well, and you have to add the fried fish. Add the sliced green and red pepper, bell pepper, You have to add the bell pepper and mix it well. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, and leave comment. And as soon I see it, I will respond your comment. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to post the notification bell so you can update it every time I upload the video. Thank you and God bless.